Hey everyone, Lucas at Laminex, and today I want to be talking to you about some of our Laminex products that can be used for an industrial application as opposed to an automotive application. Let's go. Starting off with our Laminex privacy film. If you have a window or maybe even a door or maybe a whole wall of glass pane and you would like to cover that window for just a little bit of privacy, our Laminex privacy film might be the solution for you. Our Laminex privacy film is a non-adhesive back piece of film that can be applied in minutes on your glass surface and bring you privacy in those places where you need it. We can trim this product for you to get you the perfect size to fit the area you are trying to bring some privacy to. And due to the static energy the film builds up while you're installing, it almost applies itself down onto the surface, making the installation very easy for you. Moving on to our Laminex soft window repair kit. If you have a few holes or cuts in your convertible car top, or maybe a greenhouse window or an event tent, we make a soft window repair kit that will seal up that hole or cut perfectly. It is made for a simple install of just being put over the hole that needs to be covered. And once your soft window is repaired, the Laminex will keep any rain or liquid from getting through as well as prevent the hole from stretching. We also offer a very thick yet pliable and strong paint protection film that you can apply on any industrial equipment to protect the paint on that equipment from any impact or scratch damage as well as staining. Our paint protection film will keep the paint on your industrial equipment looking new for years to come. We also offer this product in the form of our label protectors. If you have any barcodes or caution signs or any other labels that you need to be protected from peeling away over time or as people mess with them, our Laminex label protectors are the solution for you. We also offer our screen protectors for any screens that help you operate your day-to-day equipment. If you want to learn more about our industrial applications, go to our website laminex.com or check out our industrial application playlist. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.